Welcome to another 1 Minute Wednesday, where we try our best to cover one of Desk Director's many features in about a minute. Today, we will take a quick look at exporting contacts as a CSV in Desk Director. This feature makes managing contact data straightforward and efficient. Begin by logging into the admin console. Navigate to Portal, then Contacts, and locate the Export CSV option in the upper right corner. To tailor your export, click on Select Permissions. This allows you to filter contacts based on specific permissions before downloading your CSV file. For ConnectWise instances, there's an additional option to export contact, ticket, and time entry tables. This is especially useful for detailed reporting. That's all for today's 1 Minute Wednesday. By using these export features, you can effectively manage and analyze contact data with ease. Thanks for watching, and explore more Desk Director tools for enhanced efficiency.